Hello guys, welcome on specification overview video of ELECTROLUX Microwave 300. So, the capacity of this device is about 20 liters. The door side opening is left, and the turntable diameter vessel is 24.5 centimeters. The maximum power of this microwave is about 700 watts. And this device don't have a grill function. From the additional functions, we have adjusting the wave of the foot, the automatic weight program, the sound signal, and the electronic display. The basic functions is a cooking, reheating, and defrosting. The number of power levels is a 5. The dimensions is a depth. It's a 34.7 centimeters of depth, the width is at 59.5, and the height of this device is 38.8 centimeters. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.